How to block YouTube channels in iPhone, Android, and Samsung. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device and click on the YouTube channel you want to block. Click on the person's name at the top, which will lead you to their profile. After you're in their profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you'll find hide user from my channel. Click on it, which is basically block YouTube channel. After you've clicked on it, click on hide user, which will hide existing and future comments from this user. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to block YouTube channels. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.